Hi guys. Well, I'm here in Launceston because obviously I had to get a new camera, so, and I have. Sealed, see? Got another year warranty on this, and because, if you have a look, because there's no projector on it, it was 130 quid cheaper, so it's normally 200, and we end up getting 130 quid cash back, so, well, not cash back, but on a card. So, bonus. I never used the projector, and it's the exact same camera. So, it was the exact same camera. So, sweet. Hopefully this one lasts. I don't know why the other one's doing what it was doing. Fingers crossed it was that as well. I don't see why it wouldn't be, so. But it's raining here at the moment. It's crappy weather. As you can see, it's raining some more. Jack's in the back, playing on his tablet. Aren't you, dude? Say hi. Say hi. Jack, say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
So yeah, I'll do a little unboxing because I don't think I did one of my last one. So yeah, I'll do an unboxing when I get home. So I'll see you then. Alright guys, back home now. It's been a long day because it's now dark out. Again, I'm using my phone, so there's my memory card I got for it. I doubt it will focus. It's 128GB micro SD, so I haven't even opened it yet. It's still sealed, as you can see. Yeah, I've been on the road all day today. I had to go Exeter this morning to take my partner in because of her blood results and stuff, because she bruises real easy. And it turns out she may need a blood transfusion. So, yeah, the joys. Well, apparently on my phone I've only got 10 minutes recording. Cool. This is exactly the same as my other one that I had, minus the projector. It's just the manual and stuff for it. We've got the plug, the lead for plugging it into the computer so you can bring stuff off, and this here is HDMI to whatever one that one is, so you can watch stuff through it. Quite frankly, I can stay in there. Battery. Move that. And the camera is in here. Oh, sorry guys. There. So, as you can see, it is exactly the same as my other one. Let's sort this box out. Oh crap. My desk again. Oh yeah, look at that look. That's a mess. So yeah, here's, if this will focus. Wow, come on phone. Exact same, just minus the projector bit at the front. It's all the exact same. That's the only thing that's different. Same. And actually, saying that, this here is a lot thinner. A lot thinner. I can feel it. So the oh crap. So the micro SD goes in there, So let me grab that wherever I've put it. Where the hell did I put it? Okay, apparently nowhere. We get the battery like that. I'm sorry about my phone focusing, it's a bit crap. It's good when it wants to be. Crap every other time. Come on, phone. Stop being a donk. Friggin' thing. I'm trying to think now which way this goes in. I want to say that way. Let's give it a try. So, open it up. Is it going to work? Yay, it works. So, let me put this down on the desk. And we'll start setting up. Why does that look re-zoomed in? So, I want English. London. Oh, what's these for? Sets to the summertime. Yeah. Set a date, time, display. So year, month, day, year, day, month, year. That's the one I want. So the date today is the 16th. 17, and the time is 4. Should have gone backwards. 4:55 now. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Boom. I just need to insert my SD. And voila. So, only got 1 bar of battery, which is typical. Close it back up. What did I do with my SD? You lot have probably seen. Alright, let me find my SD, then we'll be back. Alright, we're back. We'll go run through the settings for this as well, because I don't want any of that noise. So, which way? I think. Oh, sorry guys, you cannot see. I think it's that way. I think. Hold on. I'm doing it. Yeah, that's it. Sweet. It's probably saying I didn't see what they said, so. Oh, have I got it in the wrong way? Oh, I may have done actually. Is that better? Is that better? Yep, yeah, must be it. So I'll format it. I always format it before I take any videos. So let's zoom in up here. Oh crap, didn't want to do that. Oh crap. Sweet. So let's run by these settings now before my phone runs out of memory. Volume. Don't think I want any of that. TV, USB, beep. That can go off. There we go. Let's see if that's sorted it. But yeah, for the price of this camera, it's not a bad price. It's a nice camera. I like it, and it's light and compact as well. As you can see, it's in my hand, so it's pretty good. Let's see if the noise is finished doing what it's doing. Oh, it didn't even turn off. Right. Wait for it to turn off. There's the info on it. If my phone will focus and it doesn't focus on other things, there we go. Sorry guys, got the shakes. My bad. And I want to say that you can come on. I want to say it would be interesting if you could take that out and put another battery in there. So I don't know. Anyway, I'll move on to this camera now because I'm just about to run out of memory on this camera. Oh, on my phone. So is it working? Is it working? I think so. That's it guys. Thumbs up. I noticed on the bottom of my other one, where it screws in, was starting to get all cracked around it and stuff like that, so I have no idea what that was about. So, but sorry, this is such a short video. I know I don't think, I cannot remember, I can't remember anything from yesterday, so I don't think I did an unboxing of this, so I did one this time. But I'll show you everything here with a better camera, of course. The zoom is pretty awesome on this as well. I may need to change some settings and stuff that's on it. I don't know. But anyway guys, that is it. God, the screen is really stiff. I'm worried about breaking it. It's really thin as well actually, like super thin. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoy this. I've made up another YouTube channel just for my games, because some people are not interested in the game side of things as well. I haven't uploaded anything to it yet because I need to still sort out loads of other things, and it took me ages to think of a name. So yeah, all games from now on be on a separate channel. So yeah, that's gonna be it guys. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.